In today's video, I'm wanting to teach you how to change NSFW settings on Reddit. If you want to adjust whether your Reddit profile is marked as NSFW, the process is quick and simple once you know where to look. I'm wanting to walk you through it clearly so you can follow along at your own pace. To begin, go to Reddit in your web browser. Make sure the page fully loads and that you're signed into the account you want to update. If you manage more than one account, it's a good idea to double check that you're in the right one before making any changes. Once you're on Reddit, look to the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile icon. This will open the account menu, where Reddit keeps several options related to your profile, preferences, and account tools. If you don't immediately see the menu you expect, just give it a second to load and then try again. From that drop-down menu, click on Settings. This is where Reddit stores the main controls for your account, including profile visibility and content-related options. After the settings page opens, take a moment to make sure you're in the correct section, since there can be multiple tabs and categories depending on the version of Reddit you're using. Next, click on Profile. This section contains settings specifically related to how your account appears to other users. It's also where Reddit places the option that controls whether your profile is labeled as NSFW. Now, look for the NSFW setting. Once you find it, toggle it off. Turning this off removes the NSFW designation from your profile, which can affect how your content and account are displayed across the platform. Be careful to change only the setting you intend to update, especially if there are other nearby privacy or visibility options. After you switch it off, the change should usually apply right away. In some cases, it may help to refresh the page or revisit the setting to confirm that it's saved correctly. If Reddit's layout looks slightly different on your screen, don't worry. The wording or placement can change over time, but the general path is still your profile menu, then settings, then profile, and finally the NSFW toggle. And that's it. That's how to change NSFW settings on Reddit. Follow those same steps anytime you need to review or update the setting again.